Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 17th, 2021. It is also St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day. It is Wellness Wednesday, and so our Wellness Wednesday information for today has to do with a few severe weather safety tips. The weather forecast for this evening is calling for some possible thunderstorms and things, so just have a few tips here for you to be aware of if you think the weather might get a little icky. So when severe weather threatens, you should be indoors. You should not play outside if it's lightning or storming. If you have a weather radio, you should listen to that, or you can turn on the news to see if they have information for you. You should stay away from windows and go to an interior room on the lowest level of the building that you're in. So interior means on the inside of your house closest to the center. If you live in a mobile home, get to somewhere that's a little bit safer if possible. If you are outside, get inside to a sturdy building. If you're out shopping and some really bad weather comes and they may ask you to come to a safe area in the building and stay away from large open areas, hallways, and smaller rooms, offer you the best protection. You don't want to be out driving around in your car if it gets really bad weather. And if you are inside your house and it's bad weather outside, you don't want to go outside to your car for any reason. A watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather and tornadoes, so be prepared. A warning means that they are possibly in the area, so you should be really watching for those and taking action to make sure you are safe. So that's just some information so that you will know what to do in case you were ever in an area where you're having a little bit of bad weather. So, Wellness Wednesday, keep yourself safe. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for lunch, we're having a corn dog. Tomorrow for lunch, we're having quesadilla. We have a couple of St. Patrick's Day birthdays today, Ashley Holly and Tylen Vaughn. Happy birthday to you. Announcements. We will not be testing in the building today, so you do not have to be quite as careful as you are walking around the building, and we should be resuming testing tomorrow. Late duty today is for Miss Granger, tomorrow's Miss Peralta, and Friday will be Miss Jones. Some important dates. We still ACAP testing tomorrow and the rest of the week. We have AMSTI PD today with Miss Candace Tracy. On the 24th, we have some PST. On the 26th will be the end of the third quarter. Wow, that is in 9 days. That's coming up quick. After that, we'll have spring break, then spring pictures, and we will finish up our testing. Again, our PEP partners. Next week, our third graders will be testing. Their partner is kindergarten. After that, also next week, our fourth graders will be testing, and their partner is first grade, followed by fifth grade, which will be testing after that a little bit. We have a shout out today to Miss Hogan. She was recognized by Miss Duberg. While learning about comparing and contrasting with Miss Hogan, the first graders learned a song that helped them to remember what it means to compare two things. When Miss Duberg started her math unit on comparing numbers, the students already knew exactly what it meant to compare and even sang her a song that helped them remember. Miss Duberg wanted to give her partner teacher a shout out for helping her students reach mastery of a concept so that they could apply across subject areas. Awesome teaching, Miss Hogan and Miss Duberg. So shout out to Miss Hogan for that, and shout out to Miss Duberg for being a great partner teacher too. So word of the day is the word halves. Okay, halves are the parts that you get when you divide something into two equal parts. So if you split something into two parts, you have two halves. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.